Hello students, this is Smita Salunke, class 1st, subject English. Today we are going to see a story of some animals picnic in the lesson The Animal Picnic. So let's move towards the story. First of all, let us see which are the characters in this story. There are rabbits, squirrels and a fox in the story. And once they all decide to go for a picnic. The fox has an idea to go for a picnic. And these all are friends. So they start the preparation for the picnic. As we all know all of these animals' favorite things. As per that they bring the eatables. So let us see what happens during the picnic and how they enjoy the picnic. Everything in detail in this story. Before we'll move towards the story, let us see which kind of new words or which kind of hard word you may face in this story. Picnic. First of all, let us see what is meant by picnic. Picnic means when someone decides to pack their food and eat outdoors. That is called picnic. You may observe here the picture of picnic. Here is a family. They are enjoying food outdoor. That is called picnic. Let us see the next word, stream. What is mean by stream? Stream means it is a source of water. You can see here in the picture, a small and narrow river is called as stream. Log. Log means a large part of a tree that has been cut or has fallen down. You may see in this picture. Slip. Sometime we slide or we fall down, that is called slip. Hollow. Hollow means something that is empty from the inside. You can observe here one log is there but it's empty from inside. So we can say the log is hollow. So I hope your all the new words idea is clear about the story. So let's move towards the story. In this story, as the animals are going for a picnic, as we all like to take eatable for the picnic, same way, animals also collect the eatable to go for a picnic. Let us see which animal brings which eatable here. Yes, first of all, the squirrels bring their favorite eatable, that is nuts. Squirrel brings nuts for the picnic. Nuts means dry fruits. Rabbits. As the rabbit's favorite eatable is carrot. So the rabbits bring carrot. But how are the carrots? The carrots are juicy. So these rabbits bring juicy carrots for the picnic. Fox. Fox brings grapes. And the grapes are fat. It means big grapes. He brings fat grapes for the picnic. And now these all things they keep in the picnic basket. Now their picnic basket is full with carrots, nuts and grapes. They keep all these things in the picnic basket and they start for the picnic. Then what happens? They decide to go for the picnic in a park. And when they starts from the home or from their place to go for the park, in between on the way they come across a stream. Stream means, as I have told you, narrow river. Now here they had a question that how to cross the stream. They see a log of wood fallen on the stream and they all decide to cross the stream from the log. They decide to climb on the log and cross the stream. So first of all, as per the habit of rabbits, they take the chance first and they says that we will go first from this log, and rabbits starts walking on the log. Suddenly, when they were walking and when they are walking in between, they slip and fall into the stream. They don't know how to swim. It was dangerous. But suddenly, Fox comes there and Fox saves them. Now everybody has a big question how to cross the stream. But clever squirrels observed that the log from which they were going, it is hollow from inside. So everybody praises squirrel for their cleverness and for their minute observation. And everybody decide to cross the stream through the hollow log. And at the end, all the animals cross the stream through the hollow log and they reaches to the park and they enjoy the picnic a lot. So my dear students, what do we learn from this story? First of all, we should be friendly with all. Though the fox is not that much, means fox we consider as a danger animal, but he was friendly with rabbits. Like this, we should be friendly with all. And another moral which we get in this story is that each and everyone has different qualities, as like squirrels were having minute observation quality. In the same way, fox nature was helping. Like this, each and everyone has different qualities and abilities. And if we work together, we can use all these abilities and we can get success and happiness. As different abilities are used by the animals in this story and they got success to cross the stream and finally they could get the happiness. In the same way, we should also behave in our life. So I hope you may have understood the story. Bye students, have a nice day.